how to use Uber app. So if you never used Uber before or you're switching from another ride-hailing app, the interface can look overwhelming, but once you know the basics, requesting a ride is extremely simple. So I'll walk you through essential steps, how to set your pickup point, choose your ride, and track your driver safely. So just start by launching Uber and signing in with your account. You can do this under this section right over here, or at the start you will be prompted to sign in with your account or register. Then make sure that location services are enabled so the app can detect where you are. Then at the top, Uber will show where to, or you can just enter the pickup point right over here manually. So you enter, for example, any location. You just choose New York, for example, and where to, let's say Greenwich Street. There you go. And now, as you can see, the taxi will be chosen. As you can see, we have different types. We have Taxi Usual, Comfort, Uber XL, Uber X, and other ones as well. For example, Economy, which is electric, Transit, whatever is best for you, you can just choose it. So the map will automatically place your pickup pin where you are standing. If needed, you can drag the pin or type in a different pickup address. Accurate pickup locations help drivers reach you faster. So let's choose Uber Comfort. Then guys, as you can see, you'll be prompted to add a payment method so that you can pay for the ride. So as you can see in my case, depending on the region, you will have different payment services and available options. In my case, it's bank account, credit or debit card, cash or gift card. Choose whichever best fits your case. And also before booking, don't forget to check the estimated fare, pickup point, payment method, and number of seats needed. You can change payments by tapping the payment section and selecting a card, PayPal or Uber Cash. And then just choose Comfort. And as you can see, there's our PIN. You can just confirm the pickup here. You can follow the car on the map in real time. If needed, you can message or call the driver through the app. And then also you will see the driver's name, car model and plate number, rating, and estimated arrival time. And once the driver arrives, verify the license plate and driver name before getting in. At the end of the ride, your payment is processed automatically. And that's how you use your Uber app from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, subscribe for more simple app guides and tips.